Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you the file level migration of the operating systems. For the file level migration, you need to have operating system installed on both sides. On the Azure cloud, you need to install the latest version of the operating system. And you will have to install clients on both sides of the operating system. For example, this one is on the operating system within the VMware virtualization, and this one is within the Azure cloud, and you have to install the clients. Here I have already installed, and I'm going to make some initial configurations. Here I'm generating the client register authentication info. Okay, generated the target side. Okay, same for the target side. After this, we go to the console and add the clients. First, we add the source client. Here is the IP address of the source client, source server. Here is the web console. This is the authentication info. Okay, verified, and we need to select the license. After that, we set up the role. We need to select the host and the replication path. Select the root path and confirm. Okay, the same way to register the target client. The user credentials. Application path. Confirm. Before creating the file level migration rules, I'm going to make some initial testing data. For example, two folders, and generate some data inside the folder. Use the dd command. This is a source machine. I'm going to generate some initial testing data. On the target machine, we do not have to do this. after generating those data, we just go directly to create the migration rule. Okay. Okay, data is created. On the target machine, we only create the same folder. So this means that you have to first install the operating system, install the application, and we will create when creating the migration rule, our info2soft will replicate the application data from the source machine to the target machine. After that, you can run the application from the target machine. So here I'm going to create only the test data folder. Okay, so let's go back to the web console and create the migration rule. Okay, file replication, create a rule. Migration, source, target, and the replication path. So here we are going to select two paths. So in the future, when we are implementing the project, we will select the replication path according to the application, the real environment application according to the customer to do the migration. And this is the source. And here, the target. Okay. Here's a summary of the replication job. Submit. Okay, it's replicating the data now. When it's done, we are going to make some incremental data and see if it can replicate the data in real time to the target side, from the source to the target. Oh, it's already done. Let's go to the target side and here you see that's the testing data from the source side. It's now inside the target side. Okay, here's the initial synchronization. For example, you have much more initial data to be migrated. It will also do the same way, but will be a little bit longer of time for the initial migration. Okay, let's make some more. Let's make some more testing data to simulate that the data increments from the source. So if in the real project, you can just keep the on-premise environment running. The business system can be up running, and you perform the migration without interruption of the business systems. Okay, let's take a look at the. Oh, it should be the same. It should be replicating because it will monitor any data increments inside the system and replicate to the target. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look on the target side. two files in the test data 1. 2 files in the test data 2. So the replication process will keep synchronizing all the data increments from the target side to from the source side to the target side. When there's let's see, the customer can schedule a maintenance window to just switch over the business from the on-premise virtual machines to the target machine in the Azure cloud. Then the migration will be done. So that's the whole process of the file level migration.